Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Alcorn County in northeastern Mississippi, McNairy County in West Tennessee, Hardin County in West Tennessee, southern Decatur County in West Tennessee, until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Selmer, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Corinth, Savannah, Selmer, Pickwick Landing State Park, Big Hill Pond State Park, Adamsville, Sardis, Pickwick Dam, Thiel, Morris Chapel, Shiloh, Olive Hill, Montgomery, Farmington, Crump, Bethel Springs, Eastview, Mitchie, Guys, and Raymer. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.